The Waterpik WP-72 Water Flosser offers a customizable oral hygiene experience with 6 water pressure settings, allowing users to adjust from gentle to deep cleaning. Featuring a spacious 35-ounce reservoir, this flosser provides over 90 seconds of flossing time, reducing the need for frequent refills. Designed to enhance gum health, it includes a special reservoir for antimicrobial rinses and a unique Pik Pocket tip for gentle delivery below the gum line. The rotating tip handle of the Waterpik WP-72 ensures easy access to all areas of the mouth, making it effective for cleaning hard-to-reach back teeth. Clinically proven to remove up to 99.9% of plaque bacteria, this flosser is twice as effective as traditional string floss in improving gum health. Endorsed by dental professionals, it is the leading water flosser brand and has earned the American Dental Association's seal of acceptance for safety and effectiveness.